Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, February 11th. We're seeing some periods of moderate to briefly heavy rain out there right now. Already received a few tenths of an inch of rain over the past several hours. We are going to be seeing another about a half inch or maybe a little more than that as we go throughout the rest of the day today. Looking at a rainy day throughout the workday, and then once we get towards the end of the workday, between about 4 to 6, we'll start to see those rain showers taper off, and then ending completely by about 6 to 8 p.m. this evening, and still going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies as we go into tonight, though. Let's take a quick look at our radar this morning just to show you those rain showers across the region. As you can see, downstream here, we still have a lot of rain to go. This rain band stretching all the way into North Carolina. That's going to continue to stream over the area throughout the day today, giving us a good amount of rain throughout the day. Going to be seeing periods of moderate rain as well. Can't rule out a slight chance of a isolated thunderstorm also as we go into the early afternoon hours. So that'll be something to keep an eye on. At the very least, we will be seeing some brief heavy rain during that period possible. Also taking a look at our satellite just to show you this abundant cloud cover with this front that's bringing this rain across the region. So not expecting any sunshine today, just continued rain and cloudy conditions with some low clouds and that brief heavy rain as well at times during the day. So taking a look at our surface analysis, here you see this kind of stationary front that's been bringing us, that brought us that cloudiness and some showers yesterday, and it did break up a little bit overnight at times, giving us some breaks in the shower activity, but that's going to continue to ramp up throughout the day today, just giving us this continued moderate rainfall with some brief heavy rain pockets as we go into the afternoon. And then we'll see things dry out as we go into tomorrow before our next system impacts us on Thursday. So as of 8 a.m., just seeing scattered clouds of 600 feet, broken at 2,500, overcast at 4,500 with some restricted visibilities out there with moderate rain. Winds are from azimuth 200 at 9 knots with a very mild temperature of 54 degrees as we are in that warm sector of this system. So taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be just seeing that continued rainfall throughout the morning hours into the early afternoon, then tapering off by the mid-afternoon hours. It does look like that rain will be ending between about 6 to 8 p.m. at the very latest. We are going to be seeing those mild temperatures continuing, running around 15 degrees above normal with a high of 59 early this afternoon. And then as we go into tonight, we'll see those temperatures drop. Still looking at a mild low tomorrow of only 41 degrees. We will be seeing partly sunny skies by the mid-morning hours of tomorrow. Taking a look at our winds, we are going to be seeing southwesterly winds throughout the morning hours, ramping up to 10 to 15 knots and gusty by the late morning, and then shifting westerly in the early afternoon at 11 to 16 knots and gusty. A slight chance of seeing those wind gusts at around 25 knots. And then towards the mid-afternoon period, those winds will shift northwesterly as that front dips south of the area, and then we'll see those temperatures slowly fall throughout the evening and becoming 7 to 12 knots from the northwest after 4 p.m. and then continuing northwesterly throughout the evening hours into the overnight hours. Could see them briefly ramp up to 10 to 15 knots and gusty around midnight, but then as we get into the mid-morning hours of tomorrow, we'll see those winds lighten up, becoming northerly at 4 to 9 knots by the mid-morning hours of Wednesday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, really just going to be seeing the similar skies to what we are seeing right now throughout the remainder of the workday. Ceilings down to 500 feet at times, with the overcast of around 2,000 to 4,000, depending on any heavy rainfall. After 4 p.m., we'll start to see those ceilings lift a little bit, becoming around 1,000 to 2,000 feet, then lifting up to around 5,000 feet as we get into the evening time frame after 8 p.m. Then after midnight tonight, we will be seeing those low clouds break up, becoming just a few at 7,500, few at 10,000, and then some broken upper cloud decks after 4 a.m. in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. Still seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Take a quick look at our short-term weather model here just to show you how these showers are going to progress throughout the day. There you see these showers streaming across the area and really no break in the rain expected at all. They are not even really expected to lighten up too much from what we have been seeing the past hour until we get to about 3 or 4 p.m. And then once these showers depart, as that front starts to dip a bit south of the area, that's when we're going to be seeing a possible chance of a thunderstorm as we get a little bit more of upper level energy moving through, and that's going to be between about 2 and 4 p.m. And then after 4 p.m. we'll see those showers lighten up, with rain ending between 6 and 8 p.m., 8 p.m. at the very latest, and then still seeing some mostly cloudy skies tonight. So for the next couple of days, we are going to be seeing some dry conditions for tomorrow. It's going to be partly sunny early. Then we'll see some thick clouds increase Wednesday afternoon, seeing a slight chance of an isolated shower late as we have that front that will be south of us going to start to lift back north across the region as a warm front. It is going to be more seasonable for our high temperature tomorrow with a high of 48. Wednesday night, we are expecting the low temperature to occur early with a low of 43 as we get a warm front lifting across the region. It is going to bring cloudy skies once again with just a slight chance of some scattered showers with that warm front passage, and also becoming breezy late. On Thursday, we are going to be starting the day off in the warm sector of our next low approaching the area. It is going to be cloudy to perhaps partly sunny. We are going to be seeing scattered showers on Thursday, and that temperature is really going to depend on exactly when that front passes through. There is still a little bit of uncertainty, but it could be a very warm day Thursday right before that front passes through, with temperatures in the upper 60s possible. Could also be seeing a chance of a thunderstorm where that frontal passes. We get some instability just ahead of the front, and it is going to be breezy as well, and like I said, unseasonably warm once again with that high in the mid to upper 60s. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.